Hey guys, here today we have this 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe, and in this video I'd like to show you how to remove and replace your air filter in this car. I believe it's one of the easiest maintenance things you could actually do in this car. They made it really easy. Check it out. So we pop the hood, open the hood, and over here we have our air filter inside. So what we do, we just pull here, and here we have two latches. We have to move them down, both of them, and after we did this we are able to get the filter out. Here we go, filter is out. This filter, as you can see, it's very dirty. I'm gonna see. The car has 40,000 miles, and the filter should be replaced already. Okay, so this is how you take it out. Very simple. So to put it back in, just take your new one and slide it in. Close the locks and close the lid, and that's it. To buy a new filter, you can go to the dealer, or you could either, let's say, type in any parts store or eBay or Amazon. You can type in 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe air filter, and but this is the regular air filter. There's also a cabin filter. They are different, so you have to get this air filter. And once you get one, replace it. Very simple. You can do it yourself. You don't have to go to dealer to do this. Save yourself some money. So guys, I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.